Which handheld VHF marine radio is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Uneiden Atlantis 275. Let's kick things off with the Uneiden Atlantis 275. This handheld VHF radio caught my eye with its floating design and impressive feature set, all for about $108.99. If you want a reliable companion for your marine adventures, this is worth a serious look. It floats and has a waterproof rating of IPX8, so you don't need to worry if it accidentally slips into the water. It has a large dual-color LCD screen that's easy to read day or night, and it receives all USA, international, and Canadian marine channels, plus NOAA weather alerts to keep you safe. Now, some people complained about its size being a bit bulkier than expected. Here's the thing though, if you want a radio that's packed with features and built for safety, that extra size might be worth it for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a sturdy radio with great features. Skip this one if you prefer something ultra-compact. For the price, you're getting solid value with the Atlantis 275. Now, if the size of the Atlantis 275 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Standard Horizon HX210. Next up is the Standard Horizon HX210, priced at $115.28. This compact radio combines functionality with an affordable price tag. If you're after a balance of performance and portability, this one's worth considering. The HX210 boasts a floating design with a waterproof rating of IPX7, so it can handle splashes and brief submersions. The oversized dot matrix display ensures you can see important information at a glance, whether you're navigating tricky waters or just chatting with friends. Some users mentioned that the battery life could be better, but honestly, with a 12-hour average, it's still quite decent for a day out on the water. If you're going for longer trips, just make sure to keep a spare battery handy. This is perfect for you if you want a compact and reliable radio. Skip this one if you need extended battery life for multi-day adventures. The HX210 gives you good bang for your buck. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize clear communication. Product number 3, Uneiden Atlantis 155. Now let's talk about the Uneiden Atlantis 155, which is priced at a budget-friendly $67.99. This radio really stands out with its simplicity and essential features. If you want a solid, no-frills radio, this is worth a serious look. The Atlantis 155 is submersible and floats, meeting the same tough waterproof standards as its more expensive siblings. Plus, it receives all marine channels and NOAA weather alerts, keeping you updated even in unpredictable conditions. One downside is that the battery life is only around 10 hours, which might not cut it for longer outings. But here's the thing, if you're just heading out for a day trip, this radio will serve you well without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, budget-friendly option. Skip this one if you're planning longer trips and need more power. The Atlantis 155 is definitely a solid value for your money. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more range and features, check out this next option. Product number 4, Cobra Bluebound 350. Next, we have the Cobra Bluebound 350, priced at $152.99. This one is a bestseller for a reason. It's packed with features. If you want a powerful radio that can handle the demands of marine communication, this is worth a serious look. The Bluebound 350 boasts a high-visibility floating core, which is super handy if you drop it overboard. Plus, it has a switchable 6-watt output for long-range communication, and you can even monitor multiple channels at once. The NOAA Weather Alerts feature keeps you informed about changing conditions, which is crucial when you're out on the water. However, some users found the interface a bit confusing initially. I'll be real with you, it takes a little time to get used to all the features. But once you do, you're set for some serious adventures. This is perfect for you if you want a feature-rich radio that excels in safety. Skip this one if you're looking for something more straightforward. For the features you get, I'd say the Bluebound 350 delivers solid value. Alright, that was an impressive choice. But if you want even more advanced capabilities, check out this last option. Product number 5. Cobra Mr. HH350 FLT. Finally, let's look at the Cobra Mr. HH350 FLT, priced at $151.34. This handheld radio is known for its noise-canceling microphone and solid performance. If you want clear conversations even in rough seas, this is worth a serious look. The Mr. HH350 FLT has a 6-watt output and a backlit LCD display for easy reading. The NOAA weather radio feature ensures you're always updated on weather conditions, helping you stay safe and prepared. One criticism is that the battery saver mode can sometimes be too aggressive, shutting down quicker than you'd expect. But honestly, if you're using it actively, you shouldn't run into too many issues. This is perfect for you if you prioritize communication clarity. Skip this one if you want a simpler interface. Overall, the Mr. HH350 FLT is a solid investment for anyone serious about marine safety. Now, to wrap things up, let's quickly compare these great options. So there you have it. We covered the Uneiden Atlantis 275 for its durability, the standard Horizon HX210 for compactness, the Uneiden Atlantis 155 for budget friendliness, the Cobra Bluebound 350 for feature-rich performance, and the Cobra Mr. HH350 FLT for clarity in communication. All solid choices depending on your needs. Just remember, the right radio can make all the difference when you're out on the water.